Happy Easter, folks. Today our Easter train is carrying back our haul from the Bucyrus Model Railroad Association's annual train show and swap meet. I'll show you what we got here. We have a Southern Pacific diesel. Got a Bachman, Pennsylvania 3233 unit, which smokes, DC power. Both of those engines are DC. Western Maryland, which needs some work. And this guy right here, Nickel Plate Road, Mikado, carrying our cars that we got. 3 cabooses, 2 of them Norfolk and Western, 1 crane which I accidentally broke because I was trying to take the arm off of it so I could paint it. 1 tanker which has a stuck truck, which is why it's being hauled on our bulkhead flat. Oh yeah. And we have these Baltimore, Ohio Riverosi, AHM Riverosi passenger cars. All in all, we came back with a good bunch of stuff, and it'll expand the K&W tremendously. We also have a Plasticville water tower. However, it's actually not to our scale. We do HO scale and HO scale only. But that's okay.
And why does it look HO scale?
It's not, buddy. But, well, happy Easter again, and enjoy the view.